Malawi today.
That people of the Zagasina should rise here and speak on matters of security. Mr. Speaker, sir, as Malawi Congress Party, we are very happy and okay with the
Honorable member, please use opposition.
The Malawi Congress Party, which is the main opposition party.
Because if they start saying the DPP and the MCP and UTM, I think it will confuse everyone.
All right,
you are the main opposition, and everyone knows the main opposition is Malawi Congress Party.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for your guidance. As I said...
Thank you, Honorable Minister of Local Government. You should stop taking Red Bulls in the morning. That was Minister of Local Government seconding the motion. Opposition spokesperson on security matters. Honorable Deza Kasina.
Good morning, Your Honor, Mr. Speaker, sir, for recognizing the mighty Malawi Congress Party spokesperson on matters of security. To begin with, Mr. Speaker, let me thank the statesman, Dr. Lazarus McCarthy Jagwera, who in his wisdom, in consultation with my leader of opposition, Honorable Simplex Chicholabanda, thought that people of the Zagasina should rise here and speak on matters of security. Mr. Speaker, sir, as Malawi Congress Party, we are very happy and okay with the
Honorable member, please use opposition.
The Malawi Congress Party, which is the main opposition party.
Because if they start saying the DPP and the MCP and UTM, I think it will confuse everyone.
All right,
you are the main opposition, and everyone knows the main opposition is Malawi Congress Party.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for your guidance. As I said, as opposition, we join the government in supporting the man on the floor, Mr. Richard Luhanga. Mr. Speaker, sir, going through his CV, it looks all rosy. Here's a man who is well trained, a man well educated, who has rose into ranks from a constable to where he is now. He has served internationally and locally. Much as we are here to confirm him, as we confirm him, as opposition, we have some word of advice and a word of caution to the IG. We expect him to be the people's IG, not a political party's IG. We want him to save Malawians regardless of any political party they are coming from. He must be an Inspector General where he performs his duty without looking side. If the one who is breaking a law is from opposition or is from a ruling party, he must be an IG who is going to do his job without favoring anyone else. We want an Inspector General who is going to save everyone, and every Malawian is going to be safe under his leadership. He must be an Inspector General who is going to respect the law, who is going to respect the courts. If the court releases one on bail, they must respect the court's ruling. What you have been witnessing here before his confirmation, where people are released on bail and his men chose not to respect the court ruling. It's something which, as opposition, we take caution with. Mr. Speaker, sir, it's a very good morning. As I said, as the opposition, we support the choice and the candidacy of one Mr. Richard Ohanga. I know him, he's a good man. As the Choro Sento said, as the Minister of Law Government said, he's a man who is a prayer man. I'm talking now as a prophet because I'm a man of God. So him as a man of God, he must be exemplary. He must be a police officer who will be exemplary. We don't need police officers who will be overzealous and being controlled by politicians in any way of their duty. As the opposition, we support his candidacy and we support the IG designate. I submit, Mr. Speaker, sir.
There's Kasina. Thank you so much. I'm impressed. There's Kasina. I didn't see you read. I'm impressed, being my classmate. Well done. At this point, honourable members, according to rules of the House, we were supposed to... I see leader standing.
Right Honourable Speaker, in view of the overwhelming support that the IG designate has received on the floor, I beg to move that debate be curtailed to allow for the House to vote on the candidate. I so submit, Right Honourable Speaker. And as guided by my colleagues on the other side of the aisle, it is the view of this House that going by precedence, we vote for the IG using the voice vote. I submit, Right Honourable Speaker.
Leader, for guidance, I think indeed we can see that he has support, but let us follow the procedure. The procedure demands that at this point we were supposed to have a report from the public appointments, which we cannot have because the committees are not yet in place. And after that, step 5 is to have general debate. Now, Leader, what you need to do now is bring a motion to curtail general debate. After that, then you come in to wind up the debate. And then you come with a motion to ask for voice voting. So now it's time to curtail the debate. So I will a motion to curtail the debate. Thank you.
Right, Honourable Speaker, as rightly guided, I once again beg to move that debate on the motion be curtailed to allow for the mover to wind up. I beg to move.
Thank you. Honour members, we have a motion to curtail debate. Those of that opinion say aye. Aye. Those of the contrary view say no. The ayes have it and the motion is carried. The Minister to wind up debate.
Mr. Speaker, sir, honorable members from both sides. In winding, I would like to thank the contributors and mainly the other side, the main opposition in the House. We have heard the sentiments made and we have taken note of that. Allow me to thank all the sentiments presented in the House. I therefore thank you all for your contributions. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Honourable Minister.
I beg to move.
That's it. Honourable members, we have a motion that we wind up debate so that we proceed with the voting. Those of that opinion say aye. Aye. Those of the contrary view say no. The ayes have it and the motion is carried. Leader, according to our own standing orders, 117, clause 2, we were supposed to have a secret ballot. But I see you're standing, I know why you're standing, so you may proceed.
Right, Honorable Speaker. I beg to move that we waive Standing Order 1172 to allow for the House to confirm the IG designate through a voice vote. I beg to move.
Honourable members, I now put a question to waive Standing Order 112 in order to allow the House to confirm the IG through voice vote. Those of that opinion say aye. Aye. Those of contrary view say no. The ayes have it and the motion is carried. The standing order actually should read 117 subsection 2, not 112. Honourable members, in view of the voting that we just took, the House confirms that now the IG has been confirmed by the whole House. Congratulations to the IG, and is it a motion? My apologies, miscommunication. Honourable members, we have a motion on the floor. I now